industrial control system users often struggle to optimize system performance and face challenges in minimizing the risk of production stoppages. Additionally, it is crucial to address potential safety issues promptly. Schneider Electric helps you address these challenges with our Customer First service program. Let's learn about it in 60 seconds. Customer First is a comprehensive service program for process control and safety systems that provides maintenance, technical support, lifecycle assessment, and connected digital services designed to maximize the benefits from your investment across the operating life of the asset. Customer First helps you to enhance operational efficiency, safety, and sustainability, maximize uptime and cost savings, and reduce the risk of system outages and unlock the full potential of your data with digital services. The program is customizable and includes core services, advantage discounts, and a choice of optional services relevant to each individual system. This approach provides flexibility and personalized experience based on each customer's specific needs. Customer First provides a range of services specifically designed for your needs, so you can find the best program to help your operation continue to deliver results effectively and safely. And this was Customer First in 60 seconds.